Fight with best friend. Gattu, Chinky, Goody and Bunty were sitting at home working on their science project together.
How long have we been working on this project, friends? And see, so much work is still left. You are right, Gattu. No, Bunty and Gattu, look. Only the drawing part is left, which you and Gattu need to do together. Goody and I will handle the rest of the work. I think our project will be the best because my and Chinky's handwriting is beautiful and Gattu and Bunty are so good at drawing. Yes, Goody. By the way, we have been working on this for a while. We should take a short break and play a game. Good idea, Gattu. But I think we should finish the project first and then play. Please, Chinky, let's just take a 30-minute break. We can have some snacks and play a game of Ludo. I'll quickly go and ask Mummy for some snacks.
When everyone agreed to the break, Chinky also agreed. Gattu asked Mummy for snacks and brought out the Ludo board.
There are 4 of us. It'll be fun. I'll take red. No, Gattu. Red is my lucky color. I want red. What? No, Bunty. I always take red. And this time also I will take red only.
Seeing Gattu and Bunty arguing over the red color, Chinky said,
There is no need to fight over this. Bunty, you can take red this time. And Gattu can take in the next game. Okay? Okay, Chinky.
The game began and everyone started playing. All the players were able to free their pawn except for Gattu. And that's not it. Bunty was far ahead of Gattu in this game. But Gattu didn't get a 6 for a long time, and as Gattu continued to lose, he got angry.
I am not playing this game anymore. Bunty is cheating. What? What cheating did I do, Gattu? First you took my red and then you kept hitting me twice, Bunty. What are you talking about, Gattu? It's just a game. I am not cheating.
Gattu got angry and pushed the other pawns away and said,
No, you are cheating, Bunty. You must be getting 6s by cheating. Otherwise, no one can beat me in Ludo. Gattu, what are you saying? There's nothing like that. I didn't get many 6s either. I am not saying that. No, Chinky, you have your favorite color blue. But Bunty took my favorite red color too. I don't want to play with him anymore. I don't want to play with you either, Gattu. You called me a cheater, even though I didn't cheat. You don't even know how to play. I'm going home. Bunty, wait. How will we finish the project without you? Goody is right. Gattu and Bunty, if you don't work together, we won't be able to finish the project. Then Chinky tell Gattu to apologize to me first. No way. I'm not apologizing no matter what.
Gattu and Bunty turned their backs on each other, not listening to Chinky. Just then, Mummy entered the room with the snacks.
Here you go, kids. Your snacks. What happened between Gattu and Bunty?
Chinky signaled to Mummy and asked her to come outside. There, Chinky explained everything to Mummy.
Mummy, if they don't talk to each other, we won't be able to finish the project. Chinky, it seems I need to do something about it. I have a plan.
Mummy told Chinky her plan. And then, they both went back into the room.
Gattu, let's play Ludo again. This time, I'll play instead of Bunty, okay?
Chinky gave Bunty and Goody a signal, letting them know it's her and Mummy's plan.
What? Okay, Mummy, we'll all play, but I'll take red.
Mummy, Gattu, Chinky and Goody started playing Ludo. This time, Gattu was winning. But then Mummy said to Gattu,
What is this, Gattu? Why are you cheating? What? Mummy, I didn't cheat. Gattu, you just got 6 by cheating. No, Mummy, I didn't cheat. Mummy is right, Gattu. You are winning because of cheating. Yes, Gattu, don't cheat. But I am not cheating. Oh, then how are you getting so many 6s? I haven't got a single 6 till now. It cannot be a bad luck. And you're winning also. When Bunty was doing the same thing, you also said he was cheating, right? So now, how can I believe you are not cheating? Tell me.
Hearing Mummy's words, Gattu realized what she was trying to say.
I understood now, Mummy. I am sorry, Bunty. I was losing and maybe out of anger, I said things I shouldn't have. Getting a 6 is just luck. It's okay, Gattu. I also said a lot of things. I'm glad you admitted your mistake. We are still best friends. These things happen in friendship. Good, Gattu. You apologized for your mistake. Now, both of you should make up and finish your project together. Okay? Yes, Mummy. Yes, Auntie.
Gattu and Bunty hugged and made up. After that, the kids enjoyed their snacks together and then finished their project as a team.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.